So this is a great breathing exercise because we're going to be working on a little bit of apnea and CO2 tolerance. So when you're doing any kind of breath hold, your CO2 level starts to rise and it gives you your urge to breathe, and it's usually that horrible feeling that makes you want to stop holding your breath. So having good CO2 tolerance is mental training. When you have good CO2 tolerance, oxygen is more available within the body and within the tissues, and your body works a bit more efficiently. So with square breathing, we're going to be doing breath holds on a full inhale and an exhale. So square breathing, inhale for count of 5, we're going to hold for count of 5, exhale for count of 5, hold for count of 5, and we'll continue doing this. So you're having mini breath holds, and we're just going to be doing 5 seconds. And we'll do that together. And we'll introduce this with alternate nostril breathing, or Nadi Shodhana. So this is a yogic breathwork technique. So I like to put 2 fingers on my third eye. Yeah, this is my anchor point. And I control the opening of the nostrils with the thumb and the finger. So inhale, hold, switch, exhale, hold. Inhale, hold, switch, exhale, hold. So it's this motion. And it's nice if the fingers are here because it gives you a point of reference in case you get a little bit lost. With the inhalation, we're not going to go full inhale, full exhale. Try and keep it as natural as possible, but over a count of 5, pause for a count of 5. And remember to relax on the breath holds. So sitting comfortably, you want to be sitting upright. Use a block or a cushion or on a seat so your spine is nice and long, and you're sitting a bit forward with your sit bones so you're free to breathe. Now, this is an awareness and mindful practice because I want you to be concentrating on the passage of air through the nostrils. So you're focusing. This is your introduction into mindfulness and awareness. And you're focusing on the airflow, the temperature, how does it feel? How does it feel in the nostrils? Visualize that airflow. So let's begin. So inhale for a count of 5. Hold. Exhale for a count of 5. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Now follow the bells. Keep your attention on the passage of air. Keep focus and follow the breath. continue the breathing pattern, but release the hands and just let the hands rest on the legs. And see if you can will the air through each individual nostril with the power of visualization. When you have completed your last cycle of breathing, let the practice go and return back to normal passive nasal breathing. And just sit for a few moments and take notice of the sensations within your body, any thoughts within your mind, and just notice how you feel. Notice your airways feeling more open from the build-up of nitric oxide in the nasal cavity, which is a vasodilator for the smooth muscle and really helps open up the breathing apparatus. So enjoy. You can sit for longer or come out of your meditation whenever you're ready.